Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. We are currently in the middle of fucking nowhere and we are going to be actually driving to my local town today in the whip. You know, we are going to go to the local McDonald's. It's been a while since I last did a video on a POV drive, but we've got now a Cobra Sport exhaust, which basically means it's fucking beautiful. Yeah, we're going to drive to town. I've started the video here just because why not? You know, it's still light, so we can have a little bit of daylight and as well as nighttime driving. But you know what? The whip is still looking, I think it looks gorgeous. You know, we've got the new indicators on. Don't think I've shown people this a lot, but look, ready? Look, come on. Turn this Corsa into a fucking, I don't know, Lamborghini. It already is a Lamborghini. So what I say is we hop in the car and we go on a little drive, you know? Let's hear this bad boy, come on. Ready? Absolutely. Perfect, and we got the alien lights on the floor. Come on, let's shut this now. Whack my seatbelt on. And we can go. Oh shit. Right, let's pull off. Okay, all right, so we're now on the road, and as you guys can see, you know what? I love starting it at this time because you get a bit of sunlight, you know, a bit of daylight, and also we're gonna go for a full nighttime drive in my local town. And obviously, if you guys didn't know, the exhaust, or if you have an exhaust on the car, it's a bit louder and it just sounds nicer in town compared to this woodland bit, because obviously these woods, they're like absorbing the bloody sound, and they're like, bitch, shut the fuck up. We want to hear the birds tweeting, not your bloody shitty shitbox. But in town, obviously, we've got loads of buildings that we can bounce the sound off. I'm not going to go crazy through it because it's late, but you know what? I'm going to show you guys how it sounds in town, basically, because, oh, it might be a shitbox, but this is my shitbox, so it's a shitter box, basically. Just across here, we're gonna pass over the motorway, and we're actually gonna go on the motorway to get to the town. I'm not actually gonna film once we're on the motorway because it's quite boring. It's just literally a half-an-hour journey, just straight road to the town. And obviously I don't drive very fast. I'm filming, for fuck's sake. I can't drive fast as well. But look, wait. Hold on. Slow down, look. Oh my god, the motorway's dead. Jeez. Come on now. Right, we're gonna... If you guys didn't know, I honk around this place because if people are coming around the corner, at least they know you're coming, so they'll slow down, you know? The car just picks up girls. Mate, come on. She might have been saying thank you for, you know, moving over to let, you know, give her a room or something, but you know what, come on now. It's just a chick magnet, isn't it? Just what this car's about, you know. Right, we finally reached civilization. This is not the town, but come on now. It actually bugs me. I don't care that people roast the car, but when people say, like, when I was putting the exhaust on the car, you know, it's only a Corsa, why are you putting it on a Corsa? It's because I fucking want it, mate. Do I really need to explain? And it's my bloody car. It's like, come on now. If you're a true car guy, you'll appreciate, you know, I've got to start somewhere. This is my first car. Come on now, you pieces of shit. If you guys don't know, I'm joking. I mean, I don't really care that much. Right, we're coming up to the... Look at this bit, mate. This is what I like to see on a POV. Come on, wait. Right, going right here. Swing it. Mad thing. Right. It's a 40 mile per hour. I'm going 41. Fucking rebel. Right, where are we going? Because we need to turn. This is to London This is to Birmingham, and we need to go Birmingham, I think. I'm fucking confused now, mate. Oh shit. Okay, well, we can't go Birmingham. Oh, what? Wait, I can't get on the motorway. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna have to get back to you guys when I figure out where the fuck I'm going, because I literally have no idea. Alright boys, like literally like 20 minutes later, I finally know where I am, you know. I had no idea where I was, but I put on the sat nav. Basically, I've got basically to the town, basically. How many times am I going to say basically? This might sound like ridiculous or something, but my car feels a bit faster, you know. I mean, I've got an air filter and an exhaust on the car, and I think it's just the sounds that it gives off that makes it feel a bit quicker. Literally, it is so weird for me to see a back of a car, because you know what? I am never behind people. I'm too slow to keep up with any traffic, you know. I just do the speed limit. So, is this a red light? Yeah, it is. So I usually never see people. I'm gonna go sneak through here. Yeah, and you can hear the air filter going. I don't know if you can because it's really subtle, but mate, I'm very happy with it. You know what, right? Because we're a Corsa driver, we need to pull over right now, quick, and we need to get our daily dose of Lucozade, because you know the Corsa drivers, we can't like not have drink a Lucozade. Ready? Right, we're going left. Whoop. And it's quite a posh town as well. Oh my god, mate, I'm not even putting my foot down, and it's really loud. This is honestly the perfect amount of noise I've always wanted. It's not too loud that it's obnoxious, but it's just, it's like, bitch, I'm here, but it's like, I'm here, but calm down. Don't tell anyone. Speed bump. Come on. You're right, boss. Mate, look, it's like a ghost town. Where are you going, mate? Right, let's go up here. This is the main parade, it's called, I think it's called. Oh, thank God we're stopping. Thank God we're stopping. I need an excuse to accelerate, you know. So, he'll start as well, boy. Handbrake on. Come on. Mate, I'm that knobhead who just... Mate, that sounds... it's popping! Oh my god, it's actually so much fun. Ready? Downshift. Oh, it's popping, it's crazy, it's so nice. It's not even pitch black yet, which is a bit of a shame, but... Where are you coming from? Oh shit. Let me pull over just in case, you know. Mate, it's absolutely beautiful. Oh shit. That wasn't a red, come on. I'm literally like I'm like giving myself up to the police. I think I'm gonna go down here. Don't say I can't. Let's whip it through here. Oh my god, what you're saying, fam? Basically, I'm not no geologist, alright? I do not know where I am in this place, you know. I come to this town, you know, to watch cinema. Actually, should I give you a little tour? Oh, give you guys a little tour of it. But yeah, I only come here to like watch cinema. They have nice restaurants here. That's the only thing I come here for. So, I mean, I only go to the centre, not this place right here. Once I've hopefully grown on YouTube and stuff, I can hire, you know, not hire people, but I can find people who, you know, like to video stuff. Like, oh my god, that was pain. You know, like I can find people to want to film like outside shots of the car and stuff. I just don't trust leaving my camera outside at the moment, you know. Let's go down here. Oof. We'll go left and then we'll find some other shit place or something. Look at this guy, he's whizzing round. Look at that. He's loving it. Right. Clutch in, whack it in first. Listen to the crackling. Mate, for a Corsa you can't. I'll just... Wait, hold on. Ready? Mate, it's absolutely paying. You know what, I definitely would want to get like a map, a decel map or something, to make it crack and pop a bit more. Oh my god, it sounds beautiful in here. It's so funny. Right, we'll whip it down here. Oh, shit. 30, come on. That's some bloody nice social distance, isn't it? Look at that. These bastards right here, you know, they don't social distance, you know. I'm here not seeing my girlfriend for like fucking ages, and they're just all in one bloody massive fuck off group. I'm like, what the fuck is this bullshit? Right, I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna head home. You know, I've caused a bit too much havoc, mate. It's gonna be on the news tomorrow. Corsa blows up town. Nah, but obviously it is late, you know. I've gone up and down the parade like 4 fucking times. So I'm gonna respect the people of this town and go home now. Ooh, these bumps in the road, oh my god, screw that. Ooh, Jesus. Ooh, fucking hell. I almost went through the bloody roof. Look, the perfect way to do this is put your think about where your left foot is and literally get the arrow right in the middle of your left foot. That's what my instructor taught me. Yeah, guess it worked, I guess. So I can get proper in the middle. Right. Ready. Look at that fuel price. I don't know how good that fuel price is, but I know that my sister says it's good, so ready. I'm gonna do a quick clutch kick or something it's called. So this exhaust is literally the perfect amount of noise. I mean, like, we're going at this many RPM. I mean, I can't really tell right now, but it's not droning a lot, you know. I can speak and I'm not shouting over my own voice, which my old new one did, which was just a straight pipe. This one's a muffler, and that's what I want, you know. I want to just put it in 5th gear and whack that sound away, you know, nicely. This one, a lot of people said it actually sounds nicer. I do agree to some extent. I love driving at night. I mean, come on. Like, no cars whatsoever. Like, normally, like, just going down a hill, you know, I know that I'm gonna have to stop anyway. I'm not even accelerating down the hill. I'm just coasting down the hill in 5th, 4th gear. Me, I'm bloody chilling. I'd have a fucking Karen up my ass if If it wasn't at night, ready, right. Alright then boys, so unfortunately, after that clip, the camera battery actually fucking died on me. So obviously, unfortunately, you guys couldn't see me smashing up the country road at night with my absolute ultimate tuk-tuk, you know, going 200 miles per hour down the fucking Tesco aisle. Jeez, come on. Now, funny story is, I actually had a little bit of an altercation with the police after that clip, you know. But yeah, boys, that is unfortunately the end of today's POV. There will be a lot more POVs to come in the future. There'll be daytime ones, there'll be nighttime ones, you know, there'll be countryside driving ones, there'll be town driving ones. But yeah, hopefully you guys did end up enjoying this video. I tried to make this a little bit more less edited, because I know a lot of people like to just see pure driving. So if you guys did end up enjoying today's video, then smash the subscribe button. If you didn't enjoy it, I don't know how the fuck you got to the end of the video, but if you didn't, don't fucking do any of that and get the fuck off my channel. And also go follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff for more behind the scenes. That is where that's where you find out the behind the scenes and, you know, new videos coming up. So anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see your faces in my next video. What?